Welcome back to RLTW Strategies. It is 9:30. The market is open and we're ready to rock and roll. We got everything happening right now. We have a 1 minute opening range. Let's chart that out real quick. So 1 minute opening range. Nope. Hitting the VWAP. Looks like we're bouncing off the VWAP right now. Back in the 1 minute opening range. We'll be watching the 5 minute on this screen and the 1 minute on this screen. So we're bouncing off the VWAP on the 1 minute. We just bounced off pretty good on the 5 minute. We got a downward trend line since the high of the morning when we had news that Iran wants to come to the table. So I'm gonna watch that trend line coming down. The 1 minute seems like we're coming down on that. We'll see. I'm watching this buy block area. Last night during the Globex session, we seemed to be hitting this as resistance. We broke through it. We used it as support here, and then I'm gonna see if this candle uses it as support as we move forward. So I'm gonna be watching that on that screen. We got the 1 minute opening range here. We only need 450 to pass these evals, so we're just going to take our time. We got news here. What do we got? University of Michigan sentiment. You know what? I didn't even look at what we got on Market Watch news calendar. I'm going to pull that up right now. We're coming up on the top of that opening range. Oil's moving up. We're at 95.33. Consumer sentiment at 10. All right, we're breaking up above the VWAP. Well, I wouldn't trust that VWAP. All right, we got resistance up here at this blue line. Price could come in this area and reject. We do have a higher low on the 5 minute. ES is coming down. 5 minutes after market open. Anything could happen right now. Feel free to hit the comment, like, and subscribe. If you like the content, head on over to my TikTok and X accounts. I will post those links in the description below. We seem to be holding this VWAP as of right now. The ES is below the VWAP. Do the round the world. What do we got for the Mag 7? Mag 7 looks like it's a mixed bag. I feel like we're coming down below the VWAP. If ES is leading the way, the ES is coming down. ES is already below the VWAP on the 5 minute. The 1 minute could be hitting resistance at this area. We have sellers in control up here. Let's see if we could break above the 1 minute opening range. Oil's coming down from the high of the open. I got cold, I had to put on a sweater. Here we go, we're breaking above the 1 minute opening range. Can we hold it? Here we are. We seem to be testing that trend. See if we could maintain above it or not. We have some resistance over here. ES is touching the VWAP. ES had a slight rejection at the VWAP. Let's see if there's enough buyers to push it through it.
The market's heating up. Watch these indicators. This is our chance. Move now or regret it.
I don't really want to get trapped up here, and people might be waiting for the Michigan sentiment to come up at 10. Here we go. That's a pretty strong rejection at this area. 5 minute still looks strong though. 5 minute looks like it could come up to this area and retest these highs. Nvidia's up $3 at 202.75. Are we going to break all-time high again? All-time high every day. This could possibly be a buy area right here. Can ES hold the break above the VWAP? All right, there we go. We're coming down. ES seems to be breaking. The VWAP oil is going up. That might drop the market.
Stay locked in. Let's go.
Could this be the trade? All right.
Let those bricks stack up, baby.
$5 away from passing. Let's look at all the other accounts. That was a good trade. That was $500 almost. All right, we need $5 more. Not gonna worry about the dollar amount. We're just gonna worry about the trade. All right, so we got some volume coming in. We could bounce here. We could bounce right here. Bottom of the 1 minute opening range. Oil's going up.
Perfect. I knew you would be careless and enter there. Hold the line and don't be a coward.
No. Why did you add you're going to blow your account?
Come on. There we go. We passed. We passed the evals. 6100, 6100, 6100. We are done for the day. 78 trade percentages. $132 trades in 6 days. I have a short bias, a major short bias. There's my hold times. 3 trades, 6,100 times 3 accounts. I was worried there when I was taking drawdown of $500. But yeah, so these are passed. I'm gonna be done for the day. It's 9:46. Hey, if you like it, like and subscribe. This is RLTW Strategies. My name is Mike, and I will catch you on Monday, hopefully with 3 XFAs. I know Topstep put me on the Responsible Trading Program for last month, the beginning of this month, when I lost 3 funded accounts after taking a payout, which usually like 98% of the time that does happen to many traders who take a payout. And then after I lost the funded accounts, I went ahead and reset 5 combines, and I lost those within 10 minutes, and then I reset again, and I did that for 2 days. Not happy about that, but we're just going to take it slow. We're going to try to focus on setups, technicals, mindset, patience, discipline, and try to watch our risk. I will see you guys Monday. Have a good weekend. Trade well today, and I'll catch you on the flip side.